Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and this is the LDO one-handed tiny whoop challenge. Sounds a bit dodgy, that, doesn't it? So LDO is a weekly video podcast broadcast on YouTube, generally talking about drones. So just over a week ago, LDO challenged their viewers to post videos of them successfully landing a tiny whoop like this in their hand with the goggles on. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Not quite as simple as you might think. Anyway, here's my attempt. If you enjoy this, there's a video link in the description. Click on that video link and comment on the video with DroningON brought me here. If you're feeling brave and adventurous, give it a try yourself, upload it to YouTube and put a link to your video in the comments below. Right, so goggles on, DVR recording. Let's give this a try. Okay, and so it's that hand and I'll aim for my left. I think that's right. Take off or go around the house. Let's get the feel for this little quad because it's been a long time since I flew it. Oh, I love the QX65. There are links to this quad in the video description, by the way. Let's go around the camera. Oh no, our battery is dead and I did it! Wow! That was my first attempt as well, so I am shocked. I haven't even prepared by charging up any batteries here, so I've literally had to bring them all out. I didn't actually realise I caught it upside down as well. The hardest part there is that to catch it, you've got to take your hands off some of the controls. So I had to take my hands off the aileron and basically just point it in, cut the throttle, and then dive. But that was good. Right, let's see if we can do it one more time. Probably not. I don't think this battery's very healthy. So here we go. Take off around the camera. Oh. And, almost. This is actually brilliant fun. So as I say, you must have a go at this. It is actually really hard, much, much harder than you might think. So please, please do have a go and post your videos to the video description. Whoa. Oh, this battery is, okay, one more go. No. I think it's a lot of luck, this, in all honesty. Right, one more go. Okay, imagine this is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. If I catch it this time, I take home the whole pot. Okay, here we go. Round the camera and aim and drop. Oh, damn it. Okay, looks like I won't be a millionaire anytime soon. Damn it, I'm gonna have one more go. Okay, come on. This is the one. Oh, okay, it's stuck to my transmitter. Here we go. Let's do a few laps around the room to get used to it. God, this is such a great little quad. Considering the price of this thing, the QX65 is just my favourite. Right, now I'm left-handed. Maybe I should use my left hand actually. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I give up. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I obviously did. If you enjoyed it, give the video a thumbs up, have a go yourself, record it, upload the video to YouTube and comment below with a link to it. Also, click on that LDO video and comment there as well. As a disclaimer, it's perfectly safe to do this. Tiny whoop type quads have shielded props, so even when the props are running, there's no way you can do yourself any harm. Thank you very much for watching.